So in this video, we're going to answer the question, can Palantir make you a millionaire? Now, if we look at month to date, it's already up a staggering 300+%. And the real move came on this breakout just a couple of months ago, back in October, as price formed a monthly buy level. And then if you go to the weekly chart, it formed a weekly buy level. But it was all to the races. And as it moved higher, it formed other levels of interest on a smaller time frame, which we'll get into. And yes, despite price being overextended and many say overvalued, the company has a lot of things going for themselves. Let's get into it. So Palantir is back in the spotlight after a high-profile initial public offering. The company stock slid almost 80% from the high in February 2021. Many investors believed it was overhyped as it struggled to turn a profit, but now it's in the black and not looking back. Founded in 2003, Palantir is anything but new, and the company has been developing AI platforms for some time. The company's core products, Gotham and Foundry, use AI and machine learning models to help commercial and government organizations analyze and make real-time decisions. The CEO has talked about the US-driven AI revolution that has taken full hold, and Palantir is at the bleeding edge. The company is famous for its government clients, especially national security agencies like the CIA and numerous branches of the Department of Defense, but it's finding new footprints in helping businesses boost efficiencies as it branches out into the commercial field. This has led to a 54% jump in revenue for its commercial segment and contributed to 27% growth in sales across the entire company. Amazingly, not only does this boot camps appear to work in boosting sales, but they are also much more cost effective than maintaining a sales staff. 3 quarters, net income doubled year over year as an example. Further, the efficiencies its platforms provide fits nicely with the mission of the proposed Department of Government Efficiencies, aka DOGE, and the non-governmental unit co-headed by Elon Musk, whose SpaceX is a partner of Palantir. Company is already heavily embedded throughout the government, and expanding its role would not be difficult. So here's the question you've been waiting for. Will it make you a millionaire? Say a millionaire in 30 years. If you take into account inflation, that $1 million would have to be $3.3 million in 30 years. In order for that to happen, the stock would have to return a 33,000%. At that point, the stock price will be $23,000. So anything is possible, but I'm not really seeing this. Still, even if it doesn't make our definition and meet our definition of a millionaire maker, Palantir can still be a good investment. There's a ton of growth already baked into its current valuation. Any slip-ups could be costly, but any slip-ups could be an opportunity to buy. And that's what you're waiting on, an opportunity to buy. As if you look on the daily chart, all the moving averages are moving up. They're expanded, so a pullback is warranted. And if we scroll down to the 4-hour chart, probably can see a little better on the hourly chart. This was that level I was referring to. And you're going to have to go to small time frames if you want to get in a pullback. This is a hourly buy level, right? You have this rally, basing candles in the rally out, gap higher, taking out what was previously all-time highs, price pulls back, and then moves higher. So the question is, what do you do now that prices are basing? Well, you treat this sideways price action like you did back in November, and you wait for the breakout and the retests. And so this is what it would look like. Again, I'm on the hourly chart, but if I scroll back out to the daily chart, what you want to see is this pullback before prices resume higher. 2025 target, $100. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.